Ehuru ya Vision Group ya Green Schools Initiative yatangira kutandika ko mwaka ogw'eriyo neetiibwa mu sente zirikurenga biliyoni 1.7 omu sente za Uganda. Project egi egendereire kumanyisa abaana bari omu mashomero aha by'empindahinduka y'obwire hamwe n'okutaha emiringo mirungi ey'okukuuma eby'obuhangwa omu mashomero.
Participatinga omu kukora activities ezigendereire kukuuma ensi yaitu obuhangwa ensi yaitu gumira green. Tuba campaigninga abo bagenzi babo tuba batamutu bw'obunyansi tuba kuhenda miti. That's why can come on ishomero at least particularly in elementary school noreba ngo evidence ya cool air, cool environment.
Tuyine enteekateeka yo kugeraho ebitweta community sensitization days, ebiro byokushohora aheru y'ishomero nk'ishomero tukagenda nk'abeegi n'abashomesa tukwegesa abantu abatwetoriire okutwakubasa kurinda eby'obuhangwa.
Okutwara encourage omu maisho abantu ari school bakatandikaho club obwahataine bamemba barikuhingura 200.
Obaasa kutandikana n'abo wonka oshange wakora transformation y'ihanga lyona ninga ya region yona. Ohitu as a school tuchaine mbachi because apparently club yite kurenga abantu 200 out of ariabo 2025. Bwe twashanga twine possibility yo kugira abana bona bakacurwa kukira kandi bakakijundiramu ikibazo kutereza umugosho bw'amani kusinga ukukira hati.
Ishomero ryine ebyina byokurundanira mu kasasiro kwetorora ishomero kandi aha abeegi nibatandisa akasasiro erikujunda n'etarikujunda omu barikwiha ebyokukozesa ebijumusa hamwe n'amakara garikumanywa nka briquettes agatarikushiisha by'obuhangwa.
Ebicupa ebirare biveera nibibaasa kugaruka bitwarwa mu za factory babikoremu ebindi bintu omwanya gw'okugira ngu tubyosya kuba kutubyosya gas egi etemba nayo esiisha ozone layer.
The materials used are so cheap, like our clay is locally available in our current environment. The charcoal dust, people waste charcoal dust after they are preparing their furniture, they waste it. Then our water is also locally available.
Abeegi ah'ishomero eri bakozire enju y'okuhingiramu erikumanywa nka greenhouse erikuhwera ebimera okukoranya ekiro n'omushana kandi nibagira ngu eki kyashagikwa nikiza kuhwera okutunguura amasharuuro omu ihanga.
Recycling of these plastic bottles and these polythene bags to make many other components, either making kind more of jerry cans, making tins where we can put in our flowers. Hence that's recycling of these non-biodegradable materials to form many other important kinds of things that we can use in our environment, in our day-to-day life.
UV bulb type A supplies the same light rays to the plant such that even at night, because we are facing a challenge of hunger, so even at night the plants, instead of using the oxygen or being redundant without doing anything, then they can use the light to produce the food.
For example, the greenhouse, we still need more funding to have it fully operational. Look at it, there are some installations that were not put and it is one way.
Abantu basima Vision Group ahabwa greenhouse yabahire bwa nyuma yo kwata omwanya gwa kabiri mu mpaka zo kuhaja n'ezihanga ezo mu cweka cyo kubanze cya project egi eyibar kugira ngo neza kubahwera cyango ahabwa TV West ndi era achiza.